Children, and a very bright good morning to all of you. So here we again meet children after one whole week. So children, shall we begin our computer class? Children, you all have your books with you, isn't it? So children, since we finished our first chapter, okay, before proceeding to the question answers, fill in the blanks, whatever we have, can we just do a quick recap of what we have studied? Okay, children. So, please take out your textbook and take out the first lesson which we have finished. I'll just give you a brush up of the main concepts which we have studied. So, all of you are ready with the textbook in your hand? Take out lesson number 1. And what is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Let Us Start with Machines. So children, when we started the lesson, let us start with machines. What did we first study? Children, we studied about, we saw first, children, the first page, we saw two sets of people. Isn't it, children? Can you see in your book too? Yes, there are two sets of people. One set of people is working with their hand and the other set of people is working with machines. Okay, children, and what did we study from here? From these people, the people who work with machines are, they can work in a better way, and the time also takes very less, and they can also save time. Okay, children, and they can do a better job in a better way. They can do all the things. So machines, what does machines do to human beings? They help human beings in making their work easy. Okay, children. Then children, come to page number 2. Okay. And then we study in page number 2. We see some pictures, isn't it? Can you see in your book too? We see some pictures of some machines, where it's given the picture of a fridge, of a TV, of a washing machine, of a mixer grinder. And these children are what? They are machines from our daily life, which we use in our homes, in our daily life. Fridge, for what purpose it's used? It's used to store food and drinks. Then TV, it's used to watch cartoons, programs, games. Then washing machine, to wash our clothes. Mixer grinder, to grind the various food items we have at home. Okay, children, so these are the daily machines. These are very ordinary machines which we use at our homes and which we get to see at our homes. And these machines, what we have studied, these machines make our work easy. Then children, we have studied in page number, in the next page, in page number 3, we have studied, children, about, we have come to know about one more thing. First, we have studied about machines. Then we have come to know about natural things. Now, what are natural things? It's given there that things that are found in nature. Okay, like the sun, birds, trees, etc. Okay, children. So here, children, we come to know about two important differences. Okay, one, we have come to study about machines and the two types of machines. One is man-made and the other we find natural. Machines are man-made, okay, and the other is that there are natural things also. So things are of two types. One is man-made and the other is natural. Natural things are like sun, birds, trees, etc. And things which are made by man are called machines. Okay, children. So here, children, we have natural or man-made, which I gave as homework. Color the things that are natural, and many of you have submitted to me. And just a second, children, it's there, like the picture of a puppy is there, then a picture of a lamp is there, then a picture of a balloon, of a bird, of a rainbow. Now here it's been told, color the things that are natural. So which things are natural, which are found in nature? Yes, you have already submitted to me and you have colored it also. It's the bird and the rainbow. So children, let's proceed with the lesson. Then next is we got to know about the features of machines. Okay, machines, always remember, machines are always man-made. They are never natural. In nature has not given us any machine, but machines are always made by man. So what are the features of machines? First, we got to know about a machine is a man-made thing. Yes, children, and it is used to do special work. Then number 2, it works very fast, and number 3, it also makes our work very easy. Okay, children. So then, children, we learned about the 2 types of machines. Can you see, children? Yes, they are given 2 types of machines. One, we got to know about manual and automatic. Okay, 2 types of machines are manual and automatic. So what are manual machines? Manual machines are run by man. Okay, they are operated with the help of the hands of the man, and automatic machines can operate on their own. Okay, with the help of an operator. That means they can operate with the help of a diesel, electricity, anything. Okay, children, you have to give the switch and they will operate on their own. So here are, children, some pictures of machines which are run by man. Okay, like sewing machine, bicycle, rickshaw, hammer. Now a man uses his legs, his hands to operate these machines. Okay, they are not automatic. They are not like you put the switch on and they do the work on their own. So they are machines which are run by man. Then what are the machines which are automatic machines? Like machines which are run on electricity. It's given there, children, like microwave oven, AC, ceiling fan, toaster. Then in the next page again we have machines which are run on diesel, petrol, CNG, like car, bus, scooter, etc. So children, these machines, okay, which are automatic, if you put the switch on, they can do the work on their own, but you have to put electricity, or you have to they have to be filled with petrol, diesel, etc. Okay, they need something to operate. So these are automatic machines, and those which are run by man, okay, like they need the help of the hands of man, and they also need the help of legs. Okay, a man has to constantly move the machine with the help of the hands or legs. Like we got the example of bicycle, sewing machine, etc. A rickshaw. Okay, children. So children, then you can see there is one more picture. Okay, circle the objects that are machines. So did you circle the objects that are machines? Which do you think are machine? Like first you get a sharpener. Okay, a sharpener is a machine. Then number 2, an umbrella. Then number 3, it's given a water filter. Number 4, the camera. Number 5, the calculator. And number 6, the clock. So lastly, in this lesson we have come to know about a magic machine. And what was that magic machine? Children, the magic machine was the computer. Okay, and why it's called the magic special machine? Because it's very useful to us. It can help us to do many things. Okay, so we have studied in the end of this lesson that a computer is a magic machine, because it is a special machine and it can help us to do many things. Okay, children. So children, we come to the end of the lesson, and let's quickly do some questions. Okay, like multiple choice questions. All of you take out your exercise. Yes, it's page number 6. Okay, like multiple choice questions, it's given there. First, are you ready, all of you? Yes, take out page number 6. It's given the multiple choice questions. Tick the man-made object. So there are 4 pictures. Man-made object. Remember, man-made object. First picture is of a sun. Second, moon and stars. Third, of a bird. And fourth, of an aeroplane. So which one is a man-made object? Yes, it is the aeroplane. Very good, because aeroplane is made by man, but the other 3 things is found in nature. Then children, come to question number B. Tick the machine which is used to keep things cool. So children, which is the machine which is used to keep things cool? It's given 4 pictures are there. First is the picture of a refrigerator, number B a stapler, number C an iron, number D a scissor. So out of these 3 things, which one is used to keep things cool? It's very easy, children. Yes, it's the refrigerator. Then number C, tick the machine that is used at home. Now out of these 4 machines which are shown, which do we use at home, children? Is it the train, or is it the fan, or ship, or the car? Yes, very good. It's number B. It is the fan. Okay, we use the fan at our homes. Then children, come to number 2, that is true or false. Machines are natural things. You have to write whether they are true. Yes or no, true or false. Machines are natural things. Are they, children? No, machines are man-made things. Okay, so it will be, the answer will be false. Then number B, a computer is a machine. True or false? True. Yes, of course, a computer is a machine. Then number C, all machines run on electricity. True or false? False. Because some machines are run by man, as I told you earlier in this chapter. Then some machines are run on electricity, then also on petrol, diesel, then CNG, etc. Okay, children, so it will be false. So children, shall we stop till here? I hope you have understood. Okay, children, question number 1 and question number 2 you will be doing in the book itself, and you will submit me and show it to me and submit me in the next class. Okay, children, so meet you again in the next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day ahead.